Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. And today I am joining in a collaboration which is hosted by Ingrid at the Cooking Chronicles and Holly at Holly's Homemade Haven. And thank you both for hosting this particular collaboration, and I'm really excited because I haven't made a proper cooking YouTube video for a very long time. So I'm delighted to be back. We moved house and so there was all that jazz that goes along with that. So there hasn't been any proper videos for a while. So let's get into this one. This is a cookbook series collaboration, and we were invited to do recipes from any Disney cookbook or a Disney theme. So I have picked spaghetti bolognese, and it's inspired by the scene in Lady and the Tramp where they are both sharing a plate of spaghetti. So let's get into the video. I got these Irish round steak beef mince packets at half price because it was the day before the use by date, and I popped them straight into the freezer. So I have all this ground beef, or mince meat as we call it, for €2.77 and €1.50. Not bad. And here are the other ingredients I'm going to use. Red and yellow onion, some garlic, some peppers, celery because I had it in the fridge and need to start using it, a tin of chopped tomatoes, and this extra vegetable pasta sauce, cheese for grating, and some parmesan for grating as well. So let's start chopping.
As an excuse can be excused. There are other types of ignorance which we call a culpable ignorance. Culpable ignorance is one that you're ignorant of something, but you're also guilty because you know that you ought to have asked certain questions.
And here I'm just rinsing out my jar of pasta sauce, and I rinse out the tin of tomatoes as well, just to get every last bit of flavour out of those two containers and try not to be wasteful. And then I'm going to leave it cooking down low for another little while. I forgot I had some spinach leaves as well to use up. So I'll pop them in as well. They'll completely disappear, I'd say, but at least they won't go off in the fridge when I could have used them here. Grate up some cheese. This is some just white cheddar, some red cheddar, we like our cheese. And then I'm going to do some parmesan as well. I'm going to mix that all up together. And that's for sprinkling on top of our dinners once they're served. So I'm just going to leave that there, cover it a little bit, and we're ready for dinner. Just leave that there. Time to go pick up kids from school. Actually, before I go, I'm going to take the spaghetti off it's cooked and just strain it. Now we're ready for dinner. And today is basketball day for one child and a badminton day for another child. So busy evening ahead. I'll just cover that here. And off I go. And I forgot to record the adult plates when I had them served up, but luckily Rachel hadn't taken her dinner yet, so I recorded that, and here's what it looked like, and it was absolutely delicious. So I want to thank Ingrid and Holly for hosting this lovely collaboration, and I'm looking forward to seeing their videos, and if there's any other collaborators that have joined in, I'm looking forward to seeing all your videos too. And if you would all like to go to the description box, and you'll see the playlist for all the videos for this collaboration, and please watch them and enjoy them, and that's what we're here for, to give you enjoyment and give you some ideas for dinners. Thank you all so much for joining me again. It's great to be back. God bless. Bye.